The cool thing about YouTube is this whole sense of community, and nothing else really has that. That's the reason why we gave birth to this channel and why we started on this specific platform. We value community and shared knowledge over anything else. 2017 was an amazing year for us, and you are a huge part of that. 4,500 subscribers in less than a year, 350,000 views in less than a year. That's incredible. People are joining us from all over the world, enjoying our content and learning something, and that's truly amazing. We are so thankful for that. So we'd like to say to you, thank you, tack så mycket, arigato gozaimasu, gracias, kad kun mak. And now that you know a lot about my bonsai life, I am really interested in knowing more about yours. So 2018 should be the year that we grow even more together. So with that said, I want you to talk with us about bonsai. There is no stupid questions. Get featured on the channel. As we learn, we grow. Alright, that will be all for today. See you next year. Take care, bonsai brothers and sisters.